What a beautiful day it is. I will take a walk. Just look at the sunrise. How is it storming all of a sudden? Oh, well, I should get inside. What do I do now? I know. Listen to music.
Emergency alert system has issued to me to watch at the request of the National Weather Service. A tornado watch has been issued for Singapore City. Please keep an eye out for a large spinning cloud.
It's just a watch. I'm sure I'll be fine.
Emergency alert system has issued a tornado warning at the request of the National Weather Service. A tornado warning has been issued for Singapore City Sea Shelter immediately.
Ayo,